Moringa tea, the daily miracle you didn't know you needed. What if I told you there's a tea that can supercharge your health, boost your energy, and even help protect your body from disease, all in one cup? Welcome to the world of Moringa tea. Packed with nutrients and antioxidants, Moringa has been hailed as a miracle treat for centuries, and today, its incredible health benefits are making headlines worldwide. So, what really happens when you drink Moringa tea every day? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll want to make Moringa tea part of your daily routine, and trust me, your body will thank you. Curious fact 1. A nutrient powerhouse in every sip. Did you know that Moringa tea contains more vitamin C than oranges, more calcium than milk, and more potassium than bananas? It's true. Just 1 cup of this tea can provide your body with essential vitamins and minerals that support everything from bone strength to immune health. Imagine getting all these nutrients in a simple, soothing tea. Why take a multivitamin when you can drink Moringa tea instead? Curious fact 2. Boost your immune system. Naturally, if you're always feeling run down or catching every bug that goes around, Moringa tea could be your secret weapon. This tea is packed with antioxidants like quercetin and chlorogenic acid, which help your body fight off free radicals and keep your immune system strong. In fact, Moringa tea has been shown to contain over 90 different nutrients and 46 types of antioxidants, all working together to protect your cells from damage. It's like having a natural shield for your immune system. Curious fact 3. A natural energy booster without the crash. Let's be honest, who doesn't need more energy? Unlike coffee or sugary energy drinks, Moringa tea gives you a steady energy boost without the dreaded crash. The iron and vitamin C combo in this tea helps your body absorb and use nutrients more efficiently, leaving you feeling more alert and focused throughout the day. So if you're looking for a healthy, natural way to power through your busy schedule, Moringa tea is the answer. What happens when you drink Moringa tea every day? So, what can you expect if you make Moringa tea part of your daily routine? Let's dive into some of the most impressive benefits that will keep you coming back for more. Weight loss support. Moringa tea can help regulate metabolism and improve digestion, making it easier for your body to burn fat. Plus, it helps reduce cravings, which is a game changer if you're trying to cut back on snacking. Balancing blood sugar. Struggling with blood sugar spikes? Moringa tea has been shown to lower blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity, making it a great natural option for people managing diabetes or prediabetes. Inflammation fighter. Whether you're dealing with arthritis or just everyday aches and pains, Moringa tea's anti-inflammatory properties can help. It's been shown to reduce swelling and pain, making it a natural alternative to over-the-counter pain relievers. Improve digestion. If you've ever felt bloated or sluggish after a meal, Moringa tea could be the solution. It acts as a gentle laxative, improving digestion and helping to prevent uncomfortable bloating. Its anti-inflammatory effects also soothe the digestive tract, promoting a healthy gut. Curious fact 4. The secret to glowing skin. Want glowing, youthful skin? Moringa tea could be your new beauty secret. Rich in vitamins A and E, it helps protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals and pollution. Vitamin A promotes healthy skin cell production, while vitamin E helps keep your skin hydrated and smooth. Drink Moringa tea daily, and you may notice your skin becoming more radiant over time. Moringa tea for heart health. Not only does Moringa tea lower blood sugar, but it's also been shown to reduce bad LDL cholesterol levels while increasing good HDL cholesterol. This powerful combination can help reduce your risk of heart disease and keep your arteries clear. Plus, the antioxidants in Moringa tea work to reduce inflammation, which is a major contributor to heart disease. Curious fact 5. A natural detox. One of the most fascinating things about Moringa tea is its ability to detoxify your body. The antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds help flush out toxins, purify your blood, and keep your liver healthy. This natural detox can leave you feeling more energized and clear-headed, making Moringa tea a fantastic addition to any wellness routine. Curious fact 6. Can Moringa tea protect against disease? What if a daily cup of tea could help prevent chronic diseases like cancer? While more research is needed, early studies suggest that Moringa's powerful antioxidants may help reduce the risk of certain cancers by neutralizing harmful free radicals that damage cells. It's also been linked to lower rates of inflammation, which is a known contributor to many diseases, including heart disease, diabetes, and even Alzheimer's. How to make Moringa tea part of your routine. Now that you know all the incredible benefits of drinking Moringa tea, how can you start incorporating it into your daily life? It's easy. Simply steep 1 to 2 teaspoons of moringa leaves or moringa powder in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Add a squeeze of lemon or a touch of honey for extra flavor, and you've got a delicious nutrient-packed tea that will boost your health with every sip. Studies on moringa and cancer. Some studies have shown that moringa leaf extracts may have anti-cancer properties. For example, research published in the Asian Pacific Journal of Cancer Prevention suggests that moringa leaves contain compounds that may slow the growth of cancer cells, particularly in breast, lung, and skin cancers. While these studies are promising, it's important to note that most of them are still in the early stages, often limited to lab or animal models. Moringa and liver health. Moringa is also known for its potential liver-protecting properties. Studies published in the Journal of Medicinal Food suggest that moringa can help repair liver damage caused by toxins and improve the overall function of the liver by reducing oxidative stress. This is particularly important for people exposed to high levels of environmental toxins or those who consume processed foods. Moringa as a water purifier. Moringa seeds have been traditionally used to purify water in some parts of the world. The crushed seeds act as a natural coagulant, binding impurities and bacteria, making water safer to drink. This highlights the versatility of the plant beyond just its nutritional and medicinal uses. Antimicrobial properties. Some studies, like those published in BMC Complementary Medicine and Therapies, highlight Moringa's antimicrobial properties, showing that Moringa extracts may fight against bacteria and fungi. This is another potential health benefit that might make viewers think about the plant as a broader solution for infections. Oxalate content. Some of you might be concerned about oxalates and their impact on kidney health, especially if you're prone to kidney stones. It's important to mention that Moringa does contain oxalates, but in much lower amounts compared to other leafy greens like spinach. The health benefits of Moringa tea far outweigh this concern for most people, but if you have specific kidney conditions, it's something worth keeping in mind. Dosage and moderation. Moderation is key when it comes to consuming Moringa tea. While it's packed with nutrients, large amounts could have a laxative effect or lead to some digestive discomfort. I recommend starting with 1 cup a day and increasing gradually, so your body can adjust to the benefits. Pregnancy and breastfeeding. Traditionally, Moringa has been used by nursing mothers to help boost milk production. However, if you're pregnant, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare provider before consuming Moringa, as certain parts of the plant, like the root, may not be safe during pregnancy. Pairing with other antioxidants. For an even greater health boost, consider pairing Moringa tea with other antioxidant-rich foods, such as berries or other low-oxalate options. This combination can help enhance nutrient absorption and maximize the overall benefits for your health. Here are some simple and fast recipes using Moringa tea. Iced Moringa Ginger Lemon Tea. A refreshing cold drink combining Moringa tea, ginger, and lemon for a detoxifying boost. Ingredients. 2 Moringa tea bags or 2 teaspoons of loose Moringa tea. 1-inch piece of fresh ginger, sliced. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. 1 to 2 teaspoons honey, optional. 2 cups water. Ice cubes. Instructions. Boil 2 cups of water and steep the Moringa tea and ginger slices for 5 to 7 minutes. Strain the tea and let it cool. Add lemon juice and honey if using, then stir well. Serve over ice for a refreshing cold tea. Creamy Moringa Coconut Tea. This comforting creamy tea uses coconut milk powder for a rich, dairy-free alternative that's perfect for a morning or evening treat. Ingredients. 2 Moringa tea bags or 2 teaspoons loose Moringa tea. 1 tablespoon coconut milk powder. 1 teaspoon honey or maple syrup, optional. 1 cup hot water. Instructions. Steep the Moringa tea in hot water for 5 to 7 minutes. Stir in the coconut milk powder until it dissolves completely. Add honey or maple syrup for sweetness, if desired. Serve hot and enjoy this creamy, nutrient-packed tea. Moringa Mint Tea. A refreshing tea with a touch of mint, perfect for cooling and relaxation. Ingredients. 2 Moringa tea bags or 2 teaspoons loose Moringa tea. 5 to 6 fresh mint leaves. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. 2 cups water. Ice cubes for iced tea. Instructions. Boil 2 cups of water and steep the Moringa tea and mint leaves for 5 to 7 minutes. Remove the tea bags or strain the tea, then add lemon juice. Serve hot or pour over ice for a chilled version. Citrus Moringa Iced Tea. This light, citrus-infused Moringa tea is great for hydration and a vitamin C boost. Ingredients. 2 Moringa tea bags or 2 teaspoons of loose Moringa tea. 1 orange, sliced. 1/2 lemon, sliced. 1 tablespoon honey, optional. 2 cups water. Ice cubes. Instructions. Boil 2 cups of water and steep the Moringa tea for 5 to 7 minutes. Let the tea cool, then pour into a pitcher. Add the orange and lemon slices, and stir in honey if desired. Chill in the refrigerator for 30 minutes before serving over ice. If you enjoyed learning about the incredible benefits of the Moringa tea, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Very OK. Stay tuned for more health tips, natural remedies, and simple ways to improve your wellness. Your support means the world to us. Thanks for watching. Very OK.